David's recipes.
Yeah.
David's recipes are beautiful. They're fabulous. I mean, he's done many different cookbooks and all. But just to let you know, we have 4 of these great ornaments. And these are ornaments you can hang on a tree. But I will tell you, they're a little heavier. So you can also set them somewhere and they'll just stand. But these are going to have beautiful decorations. You get all 4. Do I have that card? I don't know. I don't think so. But anyway, that's fine. I was just going to say the price is less than $20, so they're $5 each. Great gifts, and they come with a gift box.
Incredible, right? And there's that beautiful Christmas tree that we worked on and collaborated together. What I love about it is it's that great classic look. You have the beautiful snowflakes that run around the edges, and then everything that Mary Beth was saying, the fact that these can sit, they have a little holder for you to hang, but also when you take that ribbon off, it's now a place card holder. So you have multiple things in one, and then each one has a great recipe on the back. This happens to be our Santa Claus sugar cookies. So this is a true recipe. They all come individually gift boxed. I designed these so that you could break them apart for all the foodies on your list.
Yeah.
Right? Or pick up a set and use them as place card holders, pick up a set and use them and layer them on the buffet, put them on your mantle. There's so many fun. Now you can do the little stocking names. Did you see what we did on the mantle?
We're going to do
that.
that.
How cute is that?
Listen to the recipe. Santa Claus sugar cookies.
Okay.
Can't lose by that one.
Please.
Snowman party stew.
Look at this.
I gotta show you this. I was just thinking about that.
We piped the mashed potatoes into little snowman. So look how great that is. All of that beautiful detail. So
using peas, carrots, and ketchup, and little black, I don't know what, but
little spices.
Oh, like, spices. Yes. Isn't that adorable?
Isn't that
These
cute?
are great ideas. Then you also had the hot apple pie sipper.
That's in front of you.
Which is right here.
So I love that we included like a dessert, we did a drink, we did a savory, so you could kind of customize this.
And then the Christmas mice truffles. Look at that, and how she put the little cherry stem in the, the tail.
And the little
almonds there.
Yes.
Oh my
and
word.
And the gift boxes, Mary Beth.
Yes,
absolutely.
beautiful.
Would it have been easy to just put them in a white box and said, yeah, call it a day?
Right.
But with Temp-tations, you'll notice that every detail is always a part of every present. When you're giving this, it's literally bow and go. You don't have to do anything with them.
Look at this on the mantle. What they did was they took the bow out, the ribbon out, and are using them as placeholders. And so you've got Tara and David and Lisa and Billy.
And look, and so now instead of having the names on the stockings, you can use them this way.
I love that.
I love the idea if you're having like a buffet or you're having like a brunch and you have a couple, like maybe you have turkey bacon and regular bacon. And you want to be able to discern those. You can use these as little, you know, reminders of that, which is great.
They're $5 each.
They're incredible.
I mean, if you think about it, how many times, you know, you've got to get all these teachers. There's teachers and there's teachers' aides and then there's, you know, the helper and whatever. And you start to think, if I had to pay $20 for each of those people, we're talking $100 or more, you know, or maybe you have 4 kids, so you've got even more teachers. The fact is that these are beautiful gifts. These you never have to, they don't need to know you paid $5 each. And how many, say that again? 3,500 have been ordered in less than 1 month. And these are the 2023 versions. So these are all different recipes than last year's version. So that's the other thing you need to know. So that's why I always say, this to me, for a $20 bill, get them, put them away. You never know who you're going to use them to or how you're going to use them. But I'll tell you what, all of a sudden you'll go, oh man, am I glad I got those while they were at that sale price. Yeah,
this is so nice too. If for $5 a gift, you could tuck it into maybe a basket. Maybe you get the ingredients for the recipe that you're going to be gifting.
Oh, that's a neat idea.
That's super cute, right? I'm always one that like wants to like put a little gift bag together. Hey, and you can put it in our gift bag, even though it comes in a gift box. And then of course, if you wanted to, of course, put it in with maybe a bottle of wine or maybe some dry pasta. You have those foodies on your list. This is something unique and special because they can make this recipe year after year and think about you. You can put the year on the bottom of it, but it's meant to be hung as an ornament, sit about, right, if you wanted to use them that way. But when you break them apart into individual gifts, you have the recipe as well as the tradition of them making it every year.
It's amazing.
These are really special.
Okay, we have to wrap up, but I will just remind you, these are going quickly. This is a price. We even reduced your shipping and handling. And by the way, these just came in less than a month ago, and 3,500 have already been ordered. So instead of paying $25 for all 4, you're paying $20 for all 4. Might as well save the money. In the meantime,